Hello everyone and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video I will talk about a set from BYOMA, but before talking about the products from the set, I want to talk briefly about the brand BYOMA and what made me want to try their products. The brand is relatively new on the market. It was launched in 2022 and became viral very quickly. BYOMA is a skincare brand that is focused on improving skin's barrier function. It's a UK-based brand that's available on Cult Beauty, on Space NK, on Boots, and what is great about the brand is that it's really affordable. Well guys, while doing my research about the brand, I read so many good reviews and I became interested. At the same time, I didn't want to rush out and buy all the products, so I decided the best thing for me is to buy this set, because it contains two products that I wanted to try. The set is called So Bright Set and is retailed for £15. It is a complete set. It has a face cleanser, a face serum and a face cream. And what I like about this set is the size of the products. Definitely I have enough quantity of a product to try and to make an opinion about it. I don't want to start this video in this nice note, because here are something that I don't like. I am talking about the packaging, a little too much plastic in my opinion. The yellow box is made of plastic and inside, as you can see, we have this plastic in which the products are fixed. I feel that a little work should be done here to reduce the amount of plastic used. Now guys, what I will do next? For 1 week, I will use these products daily, AM and PM, and in the second part of this video, I will let you know my personal opinion about them. With a mention that I have dry and not very young skin. Hello again everyone, 1 week passed quickly and I'm ready to let you know my personal opinion about these products. Let's start with a creamy jelly cleanser. It's described as a ultra hydrating daily cleanser with antioxidant rich licorice root and green tea to hydrate and brighten, leaving skin refreshed, clean and makeup free. To be honest, it's a good face cleanser, I like it a lot, it's gentle with the skin, clean the skin well, it emulsifies quickly in the water, is unfragranced, only good things about it. From the first use, I realized that it's a good product and that I would like it. Next comes the brightening serum. It's described as a concentrated brightening booster with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid to visibly improve skin's tone and texture for bright glowing result without compromising daily skin barrier function. I will start with what I liked about this serum, and first is the texture. As you can see, it has a watery and lightweight texture, it goes quickly into the skin, is unscented, which is a big advantage in my opinion. At the same time, I also discovered things that I didn't like about this serum, and the most I didn't like the formula. The texture is okay, is nice, but is very sticky. It's the kind of a product that sits like a film on the surface of the skin. I didn't feel it's very moisturizing. Well, in my opinion, it's not an amazing product. Maybe will suit more a younger skin or somebody with an oily skin type, which doesn't need a lot of hydration. Honestly, I did not like this face serum. It has positive sides, I'm not saying no, but for me, for what my skin needs, it's not suitable. And the last product from the set is the moisturizing rich cream. It's described as a rich, moisturizing cream formulated with 3-ceramide complex, plus a restorative blend of bakuchiol and shea extracts. Together they hydrate and smooth skin for bouncy, dewy results, plus a strong skin barrier. The description of the cream sounds great. This is the product that I wanted to try, as the serum and the cream has positive sides. First is unscented, and as you know, this counts a lot for me. The formula is nice, is thick, is rich, but unfortunately it doesn't give me enough hydration. As a good side, it absorbs quick into the skin. The formula is nice, but for my dry skin it's not enough. If any of you have tried these products, let us all know your opinion about them. I will be happy to find out different opinion about these products. Overall guys, I cannot say that these are bad products, because they are not. They aren't suitable for my skin. From the set, the most I liked the face cleanser. The face serum and the face cream I think will suit more a younger skin or skin types that do not need intensive hydration. A big like for all the products because they are unscented. Unfortunately for my skin they wasn't effective. And to be fair, I am a bit disappointed. Okay, beautiful people, and this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!